All right, so I'm gonna take you guys on my morning routine. I know I don't want to do this kind of video, but I'm aging. We're all aging, So I mostly come out. I do a lot of content, to be honest with you, and you can see more of my wrinkles, more of my it's dryness, and I need to hydrate my pores. So got myself something, a little cream, a little booster, I would say. So I'm gonna take you through my morning routine and show you guys how to use this now. This is used after you wash your face, all right? So just to be aware, don't use it before, all right? So let me take you to my little morning routines and show you how this thing works. It does make you a little glow, all right? So it's moisturizer pretty much, right? So this is perfect even for other parts of the actual body. I use it for my ashiness. I do use other products too, like I said, but it works not just on face too, but I actually use my elbow because it gets a little dry there. And this is a must. If you guys notice, look at that dryness. So if it works for the face, it works for pretty much any part of the body too, to be honest with you. And this is a thing that I carry with me when I travel. Now, keep it away from heat because it's a little bottle. It's not good for heat. So just make sure that you keep it in a nice cold place and you're going to enjoy it for years. So